Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kensthetic. I know that you guys cannot see me right now. I'm doing a different type of video today. I'm going to be showing you guys how I pack just a carry-on to go away for 5 days. So a lot of people ask me like, hey, how do you travel with just a carry-on? How do you pack your stuff? And yeah, if I could do it, anybody can, just because I carry my whole life when I travel, no matter if I'm going away for 2 days, 5 days, 10 days, I carry everything. So I'm here to share the tea with y'all on how I pack just a carry-on to go away. Packing just a carry-on saves you money because you ain't gotta pay to check a bag. It saves you time because you don't gotta wait to pick up your bag at the carousel, and it's just the ease on your mind to know that your bag and your belongings are with you at all times. So whenever I travel, I try to just pack a carry-on bag. So yeah, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I pack my carry-on bag, what I put in it, how I store my whole life in this little thing right here, then go ahead and keep on watching. And before we get started, do not forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like this video. If you guys find it helpful, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I do when I'm packing my carry-on is I go to my notes and I open my packing list. I'll go ahead and screen record my packing list and put it on the screen so you guys can screenshot it if you guys want, because it's kind of like basic things, but I'll go ahead and list out everything I need to pack, from toothbrush to outfits to shoes to accessories, just so that as I am packing my bag, I can reference it to make sure that I don't forget anything. So once again, that'll be on the screen for you guys to screenshot. It's kind of like a general packing list, and then towards the bottom you will see that I kind of specify the outfits, the accessories, the shoes that I want to bring. So I think that this is a great reference for you guys to use as you guys are packing for your trips. But yeah, this is my carry-on bag. This is a Samsonite carry-on size luggage, and I got this from TJ Maxx for 80 bucks. So this is basically my staple bag. So whenever I travel for work, I travel for personal, this is the bag that comes with me. So I'll go ahead and include the measurements of this bag on the screen just so you guys know what size my bag is, and y'all don't think like, oh, her bag is bigger than mine, because I know things appear different on camera than they do in person. So this is my bag. So there are some staple items that I keep packed in my bag at all times, just because I know I'm always going to need it whenever I travel, and it doesn't make sense to take it out and then maybe forget to put it back in. So they just kind of stay in my bag. Okay, so in this front compartment, I have a resistance band and a jump rope. These are my travel workout essentials. I don't work out all the time when I travel, but I do like to have them just in case I am in the mood to work out, because your girl's trying to have her body snatched, okay? And then in this compartment up here, I have, ooh, it's a mess. I have my Fenty body lava, and I have the brush that I apply it with. So this is how I travel with my body lava, and that basically stays in this compartment just because I know I'm gonna always need my body lava. And then I also have a lock for my suitcase, and I have some off deep woods. This is the only bug spray that I have found that actually works for me, and I am the queen of getting mosquito bites. So if you're looking for a mosquito resistant, insect resistant spray, this is your girl. Like this one, not the orange and white one, this one, off woods, the green one. Get it, it saves you, and it actually works. So that's basically what I have in this compartment. It is kind of messy. I don't know what's spilled in there. I don't know if it was like lotion, whatever. So now we're moving to the inside of the bag. So I love this bag because it has 2 compartments here, and then it has all of this space right here. So I do have some junk in here. I got some coins in a scrunchie, but we're gonna start on this side because this side is kind of pre-packed. So the first 2 things are my favorite 2 pairs of eyelashes. So the first pair is by MBK Glam on Instagram, and these are in the style Sade. These lashes are so amazing. When I wear these in my videos, you guys are always bombarding me like, what lashes do you have on? What lashes do you have on? And these are them. And the second pair of lashes, which I have been loving recently, is by C Cosmetics, and this is in the style Go Get Her. And in my recent Instagram pictures, these are the lashes that I have been wearing. So many people have been asking me. So these are my 2 favorite lashes, so they always stay in my bag. And then I have some Smell Good. So I have this Mugler sample size of the Alien perfume. This perfume is so bomb. I love it so much. Oh, also another pair of lashes that I have in my bag, which is my third favorite, but these are more pricier, so I don't wear these as much and I don't re-up on these a lot, but these are the Lily lashes in the style Miami, and these are in this packaging because these are from Sephora. So these lashes are so bomb, but they are expensive. I think they're like $30 a pair. I have a travel size Vaseline, which I purchased from Target. This just stays in my bag. I use it on my body or on my lips. And then I have some junk in here. So that's basically everything I have in this compartment. And then down here, I have some bangles that I just picked up from Forever 21 for my last trip. I have my bonnet, which I use to sleep. And then I also have this Garnier Fructis deep conditioner. This deep conditioner is 3.4 fluid ounces, so I did use a little bit of it, but this just travels in my bag whenever I need like to refresh my hair. The next thing that is kind of like pre-packed in my bag at all times is this bag, which has like my face slash half of my shower essentials slash my waterproof setting spray. But I got this little cute bag from Forever 21, and in case you guys don't know, I love flamingos. Y'all will see a lot of flamingos in this packing video. But in here I have a travel size baby oil. I have my waterproof setting spray, which I transferred into this little bottle. If you guys did not see my summer essentials video, I showed you guys the full size that I have. I have a razor in here. I have a travel size micellar water to remove my makeup with. I have deodorant in here. I have Lysol in here, which is key. So whenever I go to any hotel, I always like Lysol the bed before I sleep. It's just something about me. It's a habit that I have because I can't be sleeping in nobody's dirty bed. But that's basically everything that's in this bag. So this bag stays pre-packed. I don't use any of this stuff in this bag while I'm at home. This is kind of like just for traveling. So this sleeps, this lives, this breathes in my suitcase at all times. I never take it out. And then the second bag that's pre-packed in my suitcase at all times is more of my shower essentials. So in here I have my toothbrush, my toothpaste, I have some Diva Curl Beautiful Mess pomade, I have cortisone, I have shampoo, I have conditioner, I have mousse, I have a comb in here, I have clips, I have a pick in here, I have sunscreen in here, but this stays packed at all times, and this also lives, breathes, and sleeps in my carry-on suitcase. A few more items that I usually keep packed in my carry-on bag is this travel size tripod. I'll go ahead and link it down below. But this tripod fits in my carry-on bag perfectly. It doesn't take up much space, and I just always keep it here because I never really know when I want to record content when I'm on vacation. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't, but it's always here. It doesn't take up much space, so it's not, you know, an inconvenience. I also have this robe that I keep in my bag. I just throw this on like when I'm doing my makeup and I'm getting ready. And I have these slippers. They kind of dirty, but don't watch that. I took these from the hotel when I was in CarryOn, Philippines, but these just stay in my bag just because I don't like my feet touching floors directly. I don't know, it's just me. And two more baggies that I always pack is this flamingo bag. I got this for like 50 cents from Old Navy, but as you guys can tell, I love flamingos. But in here I basically store all of the jewelry that I will be taking with me on my trip. So I usually just keep some essentials in here, and then I'll add in some spicy pieces. Like I added these in for this trip. These are from Forever 21. They are so cute. And one tip I wanted to give you guys when packing your jewelry, which I had to learn the hard way, and I don't want y'all to learn the hard way too, so I'm gonna put y'all on real quick, so listen up. These are my chains that I travel with. It looks like a lot, but it's only like 5 chains, but they're like doubled up. But what I did is I untangled them because they got really tangled up, and I laid them out, and I basically used like this bag clip. This is like a clip that you use like on a bag of chips or cookies or whatever, and I basically clipped it in the middle so that when I do want to take one out, I'll just go ahead, unclip all of them, find the one that I want, and then put this clip back on so that they stay detangled. So this is a travel packing tip that I do have, and then I could just go ahead and throw it in my bag just because I know it's already detangled and it's gonna stay that way. So I usually take this bag and I just stuff it in here just to make sure, you know, she's nice and safe. And my other bag is my makeup bag. Once again, we see more flamingos. But this is my makeup travel bag. I got this from TJ Maxx, and she is heavy. Like, I'm gonna open it up real quick, but she is packed to capacity. I have all of my lip bar essentials. Shameless plug. But everything that I need to do my makeup when I'm away is in this bag, and every liquid product is under 3 fluid ounces, so we're okay there. So I go ahead and zip her up, and I just go ahead and place her here. So this is what we're working with. So next, it is time for me to pack my clothes. What am I gonna wear on my body? What am I gonna wear on my feet when I'm away? So that's what we're gonna get into now. So the first thing, I'm not sure if I told you guys where I'm going, but I'm going to New Orleans for Essence Festival. But while I'm there, I will be working with Palmer's. So I love Palmer's. I love their hair products, and they sent me this little baggie for my time working with them, and it basically has some essentials in here that I'm gonna need for the weekend. So I'm gonna show you guys quickly what's in this bag. So the first thing is 3 t-shirts. So this is how the t-shirt looks, and it's basically 1 t-shirt for each day that I'll be working, so that, you know, the girls could be nice and clean. And I love that these t-shirts are V-cut. Here for it. But I have 3 of these t-shirts. I'm gonna take these out, and I'm gonna wrap them in a plastic bag and then put them in so that they don't get dirty. And then also in here, they gave us these travel essentials, which I'm super grateful for, because the skin, the face, everything has to stay nice and hydrated while we are away. So this is gonna be here for now. We'll see if we'll keep it in the bag, or with stuff like this, if it doesn't fit, I'll take it out and I'll just like stuff them in little spaces that we're gonna have. And then of course, I'm taking this bag with me. I'll be using this bag throughout the day as I'm working. So moving along, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the clothes and the shoes that I wanna pack, and then I'll be back to show you guys how I put them in my suitcase. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed clothes, shoes that I'm going to be packing for this trip. So as I mentioned, I am going to be working majority of the trip. So throughout the day I'll be working. So I'll be wearing those 3 t-shirts. I put them in this bag so that they don't get dirty, and I'm just going to stuff that bag down here. And with those 3 t-shirts, I'm just gonna pack 3 pairs of shorts to wear with them. So I got a black, I have like a deeper wash, and then I have a lighter wash pair of denim shorts. So I'm just gonna roll them up. You always want to make sure you're rolling when you're packing. And if you guys don't know that, I'm guessing y'all didn't watch my first packing tips video. I'll go ahead and link that in the card so you guys can see. But I'm just gonna roll it and stuff them in. When you put them in, you want to make sure the spaces are very tight, okay? Besides working, I'm going to be going out at night. So I do have some nighttime outfits. I have these 2 beautiful dresses. This one I've never worn before, some pretty little thing. I don't remember if I included it in a haul. Oh, I did. That was also in my previous packing video. I think I packed it when I went to Arizona/Vegas. But I'm gonna pack that. And then this is another dress from, no, this one was from Misguided. This is from years ago, but it's a really cute dress. I'm gonna go ahead and put it here. And if y'all want to see how my looks end up coming together, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. I'll be posting lots of pictures this weekend. And now shoes. So for my working shifts, I'm gonna go ahead and pack my white CDGs. These are comfortable sneakers, so I don't have to worry about my feet feeling uncomfortable, and they basically match everything. They could even match the red dress that I'm packing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in like so. Ooh, y'all can see we kind of running low on space, but we already have 3 outfits, 4 or 5 outfits packed in here. And then for the nighttime, I'm gonna go ahead and pack these black heels. I got these from ASOS, but I usually like bringing black heels because they basically match almost everything. And I'm gonna go ahead and put them here. And then for bags going out at night, I'm gonna go ahead and pack my YSL bag. It is a black bag, so it basically goes with like everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her here. And I always just bring like a rainy day outfit. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and pack these jeans. These are super cute, super stylish. You guys will see how they look once they're worn on my Instagram, so make sure you guys are following me because I will be serving looks and posting lots of pictures. But I'm gonna go ahead and stuff these jeans right here, and they fit actually perfect. So we do have a little bit more space, you see? So I'm gonna go ahead and go through my list one more time, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys anything else that I decide to pack in this bag. And yeah. Okay, so I did a final scan of my packing list, and the results show that there is still more things to be packed. So what I found that I still needed to pack was socks. So I took 3 pairs of socks for the days that I'll be wearing my sneakers. So I'll go ahead and put that here. And then I have this jumpsuit slash unitard thing that I'll be wearing when I come back. Just something cute and comfy for the plane. So I'll go ahead and roll this up and put it in this little space right here. And then pajamas, because what am I gonna sleep in? So, oh, I have 4 pairs of socks, sorry. I have these pajamas. This is a cute set from Misguided. I'll go ahead and link it down below. It's super cute, super comfortable. But this is basically everything that I'm packing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and zip her up. Oh, yeah, I'm so tired, but my camera battery died. But now I'm basically going to zip my suitcase. So just so you guys know, the extension on my suitcase is closed, but my suitcase is zipped up and she's ready to go. So I hope this video helped with everyone who was asking me how I pack only a carry-on to go on a trip, and this is how. I just basically plan out everything that I need. I have my packing list. Hopefully you guys screenshotted that and you guys could find it helpful. And also I limit what I'm wearing based on what I know I'm going to be doing while I am away. So that helps a lot to plan out your itinerary and then plan your outfits out around that. Make sure you're not overpacking. Like as you guys saw, you have one rainy day outfit in this bag. Make sure you guys roll your clothes. That helps a lot. And yeah, so that's basically how I pack my whole life in my suitcase. As I mentioned, I am going to be away for 5 days, so everything in this bag will last me for 5 days, including my hygiene products, my outfits, and everything else. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Make sure you guys subscribe before you head out. If this video helped you and you now know how to pack your carry-on bag, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up so that I know, and I know that you guys found this video helpful. I also pack a backpack to travel, and that's where I have like all of my tech goodies and my laptops and everything else. So if you guys want to see a separate video on how I pack that bag, comment down below and I will be sure to provide you guys with that video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had fun filming it. It also made me pack faster, so that's a plus as well. And make sure you guys watch my recent uploads. They'll be on the screen somewhere. And until my next video, I will see you guys later.